Good afternoon, everybody. Cam Biker here. Still on my ride, where I finished by saying I was going to Grassington, but actually went to Grassington, kind of looked at it, went meh, and went 3 miles down the road to Burnshill instead for a cup of tea. My mother always said, cup of tea, the most refreshing drink you can have. Absolute nonsense. I feel drier now than before I had my cup of tea. They stewed it. We're heading back towards home now, but we are taking a detour. As I mentioned in my earlier video, I don't know if it'll be a part 1 and a part 2, but as I mentioned, there's a reservoir around here called Scar House Reservoir, and it's in the position that used to be a village, and the village was covered by the water when they made the reservoir happen. And because it's been so dry here now for months, some of the village has become visible again, so I thought it'd be interesting. It's not something you get to see very often, so I thought it'd be interesting to come and have a look. I don't know how good it is. I know that the Ladybower Reservoir has quite an interesting village underneath it, but apparently that one at the moment is not visible, but this one is, so might be less interesting, but worth a look, I think. And it's only going to take us 10 miles out of our way, and we get to see donkeys on the way. Old water mill. And they named the pub after the bridge. I think there may be 2 connected reservoirs, but I'm not entirely sure. I put the sat-nav to take me to Scar House Reservoir, and it says it's another 4 miles, so I suspect this isn't it. Very expensive looking properties around here. You can definitely tell that reservoir's low. At this point, no water, just mud where the water should be. This is the road into the Scar House Reservoir. The sign proudly announces home to Yorkshire's water. At the minute we haven't got any. I have a feeling that I've seen Silver Fox Travels come down here before. There's some old tunnels or something on the left hand side. Not that you can get to necessarily, well, certainly not that you could ride through. I just have a feeling that this is that place. Ah, there's the tunnel, bricked up, so definitely can't go in it. This reservoir must be high up because we've been headed upwards for quite some time now, as you can probably tell by the fact that we're at the top of the trees. But then some of those houses down there would be quite low compared to a reservoir. I'd be wary about dams breaking and water coming in. It did happen a few years ago at one of the reservoirs not too far away. We've got as close as I think we can get. Got to walk this last bit, but I can see it a couple of 100 yards away. Enhance your visit with images, videos and audio commentary about these historic sites. This is the walkway across the dam for the reservoir. Normally you should be able to hear water rushing over when it's full, but it isn't full. It's quite shockingly not full. Just that little bit in the middle. Normally the water will be right up to here. I can see some walls over there that must have been under the water a few months ago. I don't know if that's part of the village or not. See, walk that way a little bit and see what I can see. When you look at the wall, you can see that horizontal stripe just below the arches. Looks like that's normal level, or the top level. No wonder we've got a hosepipe ban. I can definitely see some walls over there. That must have been the foundations of a building. There is somebody walking around down there, but I'm not that brave or stupid. I'm not sure what the correct word is. Often hard to tell those two apart. But I know that somebody who was trying to look around Ladybower last time, that was visible with the water levels low. Somebody got stuck and had to be rescued from the mud. So that's not how I want to end my day today. Anyway, I suppose I best get back to the bike and Chris. Thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.